How to fix session expired problem on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Messenger application just to make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application on your device. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we're going to go back and launch the settings application on our device. As we do that, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Select on manage apps and tap on the search bar to search for Messenger application. As you search for the application, it will pop up at the bottom of the screen, so you can simply search for the app. Here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. Simply select on that. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, now you can relaunch Messenger application and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.